Good morning, it's Dave at All Important Reviews. Please click the subscribe button for more awesome content. This is an unboxing of a new homage watch by Lige design. These are an AliExpress Chinese manufacturer. They have been around for quite a few years, I do believe. What have we got inside here? Some kind of VIP card. Let's have a look. International guarantee. Okay, put that to one side. For what we actually want. Wow. That looks pretty sick. That looks absolutely beautiful. This is obviously a homage to the Submariner. The two-tone gold, blue and silver, what's called, I believe they call it the bluesy in a Rolex terms. Obviously that's unofficial. Stunning 3-link bracelet, fully machined, feels very, very solid. Obviously it's got a clasp just like the Pagani ones. Deployant with a safety catch. Let's have a look at that dial. It's hard to see because it's early morning here. Does it look a bit purpley? I hope it doesn't, but I think it does a little bit. You can get a Chronos watch that are a lot more expensive that has a true blue. These cheaper ones, for some reason, on the sunburst, they do look a touch purpley. So that's an immediate thing I've noticed. But other than that, I mean, I'm trying to look at the alignment. The alignment looks fine. The gold looks fine. Because I believe they do put a small, only a very small coating of the you know, the PVD, whatever you call it, the gold coating. It's not real gold, obviously, and it can come off quite easily on some of these cheaper watches, but time will tell. Crown looks fine. Bracelet looks fine. A little bit of play there in the end one. Let's have a look at the case back. You got an exhibition window. Full review will be on the channel shortly. There is a link below if you wanted to pick it up as well. You can get it in loads of different colours. So far, so good. Automatic. It's not sapphire. I believe they're stating it is sapphire, but as far as I'm aware, it is not sapphire. That's according to other reviewers. Bezel feels absolutely fine. Obviously unidirectional. I'll put a link down below if you wanted to check it out. Beautiful. Right, full review will be coming shortly. It's got that 40mm case, which I love, solid bracelet, ceramic bezel, the two-tone, which just gives it that extra punch. I have used Lige before, but on a different watch, and it was okay. But I'm hoping this is gonna hold up better. Okay, it's been Dave at All Important Reviews. Please subscribe. Please check out the review shortly. Thank you.